Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to upload HTML website in Godaddy CPanel account. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Godaddy account and you might end up seeing yourself over here. At the top right corner, just click on this icon. Here, you just need to click on hosting and WordPress. Once you are here, you can see that this is my domain name. And at the right, we have action icon. Click on this option and we will find cPanel admin. Click on this. After that, once you are at your cPanel, click on File Manager and then click on Public HTML over here. Here we are going to create a folder where we are going to add or upload our HTML website. So at the top left corner, you will find folder icon. Click on this. Here you just need to enter the name. I'm just going to write HTML. Click on Create New Folder and this is the HTML folder over here. Open this up and we are going to upload our website over here. Click on upload, click select file and you can see my HTML website is in folder, but we just need to change this into zip file, otherwise it won't work. Once you create your RAR file, go back, click on select file and click on this file again. Once it's done, click on go back, click on your zip file and at the top right corner you will find the extract button. Click on this and make sure to check your folder over here that you are going to extract those files over here. Click on extract files. Once you extract files over here, you will see something like this, or maybe you will extract all files over here. This is the website which I have recently downloaded from another website. That's why it's showing up like this. And if you have a website, make sure to upload it in zip and then extract that over here. Once you do that, just click on delete the zip file and after that you can use your HTML website. So as you can see, my website is working now. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to upload HTML website in Godaddy CPanel account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.